This is our X-ray foreign body metal detector, and today I will introduce you the detailed information of our detector. Firstly, as you can see, there is a high-resolution display. Also, we equip with industrial-grade computer to ensure the machine running in 24 hours a day. Also, we will show you the inside of the machine. This is the air conditioning to keep the machine running at a constant temperature environment. And we will equip with the humidifier to remove the vapor and mist when the machine running. And this is UPS power supply. This one is high power X-ray generator. This is integrative receiver to receive image on the display. And also, as you can see, our material adopt stainless steel and with thick plate. And the thick plate protects the outside world from being contaminated by the rays.